are masters of the skies. There are more than 10,000 species, and they behave in a huge variety of different ways.
But of all the birds I've filmed over the years, there's nothing that can really compare with these comic characters. That's not just because of their great size, but because they can't do the one thing that birds are famous for doing. They can't fly.
The ostrich, the emu and the rhea, together with two other birds, the kiwi and the cassowary, are the court jesters of the avian world. They're a family with a remarkable success story, despite having never flown a day in their lives. But exactly how and why did these birds abandon flight? It's one of the natural world's great mysteries, and it's taxed some of the finest minds in science from Darwin's time right through to the present day. And now, DNA is promising to give us the answer.
But what is even more exciting than the remarkable evolutionary history of these birds is their behavior. Because if you're a bird that can't fly, you have to find other ways of surviving.